Let it move south of us. Tell me you got this.
I got it.
Got it, Chris. Get ready. To the front. Go. It's going east of us. Get ready to switch.
Ready?
Switch.
Windshield wiper once. Good.
Whoa. Oh my God, this is not good. Not good, guys. Hey, can you position the streaming camera?
Hey, stay on it, stay on it. Not good, not good.
Chris, get ready. Hold on.
Go, 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 go. No, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Hold on.
Stop.
Here you go.
Don't move.
Go. Don't move. Here, I got you. Hey, let's get on that road. Oh, wait, is that a road that goes east? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go north. I think that's the road that goes north, right? Slow pickle.
We're just gonna be down power lines, all that, Bobo. You gotta be careful.
Slow pickle, Chris. I can put my window up. Going right into Jackson. Take a left here, buddy.
My back left window. Other window.